elephants are one of an elite group of animals that use teamwork to help them survive. However, somewhere along their evolutionary process, they realized that to survive and thrive, they needed something extra: leadership. While there are many theories, there is only one form of leadership that we all feel comfortable with, one that works in every organization: natural leadership. Achieving success through putting the well-being of the group ahead of everything. Elephant matriarchs are the animal world's best exponents of natural leadership, and know that a group that feels safe will flourish. Natural leadership creates a safety culture that's rich in empathy, respect, consistency, and evolution. And there are 4 easy steps that we can all follow on a daily basis to make sure this happens. Share a vision, be there, talk, and take action.